मैम बिल्कुल आपसे ज़्यादा।
I just love my city Meerut. It's a best place. This is me ईशा खान और आज हम आए हैं मेरठ डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी में म्यूज़ियम को देखने और मेरे साथ हैं मेरे बच्चे और हमने यहाँ बहुत कुछ सीखा. वी हैव लर्नड अ लॉट, वी हैव एंजॉयड अ लॉट एंड यू कैन सी ऑल माय स्टूडेंट्स आर हियर विथ मी and this is a nice place to watch out. We have learned a lot about the history of Meerut over here and as you can see our students are enjoying a lot. We can see some kind of flowers they have put all together. So this was a good time we had with my children. So we have enjoyed here a lot, you can see. So now let's ask some of the students how they felt over here. So he is my student. What's your name, child?
My name is Shahzan Chauhan and I am the student of class 9C and this museum was so incredible and we have learnt a lot in this museum.
Okay, so you enjoyed over here?
History. Yes, I enjoyed most and we learned a lot about the history of the Meerut.
Okay.
And about the monuments and about the revolt of 1857 also.
This is the most important thing which I also want to bring to your knowledge, that the revolt of 1857 started from Meerut and our students came to know about it with clarity when we saw the pictures over here. So we have one more student with us. So now we have.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aram Khan. I am the student of class 9C. I have come with my classmates and my teachers to the museum Chopla MDA and it is the most beautiful museum and I learned a lot of things and there are so many drawings and they are very realistic. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Mr. Aman. Now we have one more student with us. His name is Rudra Pathak. He wants to say something.
I am with my ma'am Isha Khan in this museum. It is very beautiful museum and my ma'am is so cute that she provided me this opportunity to speak. It's a very great museum. I learned a lot in this museum.
And we are very thankful to our principal ma'am that she gave us the opportunity to come over here and see the beauty of Meerut in the form of pictures and in the form of many things. We have learned a lot. Thank you, principal ma'am, for this opportunity. Once again, have a good day. Have a great life ahead. Thank you. Isha Khan, और we have enjoyed a lot over here. Have you enjoyed, children?
Yes.
Yes, मेरे बच्चों ने तो बहुत enjoy किया. आप भी आइए अपने परिवार के साथ और मेरठ म्यूजियम का मजा लीजिए. यहाँ बहुत कुछ जानकारी मिलेगी आपको, बहुत मजा आने वाला है. बहुत मेहनत से बनाया गया है. We have liked it a lot, loved it a lot. आप भी आइए and have a look. Thank you.